I really like the motion graphics used in software as a service launch videos. They're sleek, minimal, and they hold the viewer's attention. The problem is that the online tutorials teaching how to make these animations have shown me they take hours to make. But I've just found a way to make my own SaaS motion graphics that you're seeing on screen now in just a couple of minutes inside Higgsfield. And this has me really excited because I can just quickly use this to create animations when I launch any SaaS products in the future, or even just to make these videos on YouTube that I post look even nicer. So here's how to do this yourself inside Higgsfield. So I'll start by showing you how I made this contact me animation. So when you're on this Higgsfield homepage, which I'll link to in the description and the pinned comment of this video, when you're on the homepage, you just want to head to a video here. And where you need to go is actually hidden down here. This is why I've only recently discovered it myself. You need to click on this Vibe Motion link here. Then simply just head over to Create from Scratch. You'll see this screen here with this demo animation. And this box down here is where we simply type in the description of the SaaS style motion graphic that we want created. So for my animation you saw, I just typed in duration, 5 seconds. Generate a clean, white rounded rectangle card assembling in the center of a soft gray lavender gradient background, with stacked glowing shadow layers radiating outward behind it. On the left of the card, a circular purple gradient avatar containing the attached headshot. On the right, a bold content creator heading with smaller gray subtext below. Beneath that, a wide rounded contact button with a purple to blue gradient and white text. An arrow cursor glides in from the right and changes to a white pointing hand when it recovers directly over the center of the button. It took me less than 5 minutes to think up that prompt, as opposed to the hours it would have taken me to learn how to do it myself in a program like After Effects, or the money it would have cost me to pay an animator to do it for me. Let's jump back in. Duration, 4 seconds. Start with the 5 attached icons in a centered horizontal row in the middle of the screen, evenly spaced. Keep it clean, soft, and premium. And what's crazy is these animations are generated in real time as animations. Like I can actually select things. These are animation files, not videos. And if we look over here, I can change stuff in real time to really customize this to be exactly as I really want. So I can change what it says. I can change the background color. Let's try and change the size of this header to make it bigger. Okay, that's not worked. So sometimes these changes don't work, which is just one of the problems I found. Let's try and change the color of that text. Okay, that worked. Let's see if the font weight change works. No, that's not getting any bolder or narrower. So this doesn't work perfectly yet. As you're seeing, sometimes the changes don't work. And there are a few more problems that I found with this tool that I'll mention later on. But all in all, this still is an incredible thing, in my opinion, that we can make these completely from scratch and customize it along the way. Okay, for this next one, I just wrote duration 7 seconds, generate a clean white widget floating on a deep navy black background. Inside the widget, there's a title at the top and 3 rectangular sections below it, each containing a line of text. Animate a 3D mouse cursor floating in and hovering over each section in sequence, highlighting each one as it goes. Use a soft gradient background. Keep everything running smooth and clean. And next, I wanted to see if I could create something similar to this motion graphic from Claude from one of their recent launch videos. And after a few tries, I got pretty close inside Higgsfield, so I'll show you now what I wrote. And by the way, I saw that video from Claude when I was researching any new AI updates in the world of video creation for my newsletter. If you want to stay updated on new AI hacks and make sure you're not falling behind other video creators, you can sign up to that newsletter in the description below. So for a similar phone animation to Claude, I just wrote out duration 6 seconds, warm beige background throughout, editorial, minimalist, premium aesthetic. For the first 3 seconds, show a large centered smartphone chat interface on a white screen with a reddish brown user bubble at the top, followed by 2 white reply bubbles typing out in sequence. Then hard cut to a centered 2-line dark brown black display serif, large headline that fades in line by line, or when it's time to check the build, but you're on the move. And as you can see, that is a fully editable too when I make changes here. And also I got this alternative animation when I use exactly the same prompt, but I chose this legacy style down here from the style options that we have. But it's not all positives in this new motion graphics tool I found inside Higgsfield. Firstly, it fails a lot. Check this out. Here's a project I made when I was creating this video, and you can see 2 successful renders here, but 3 failures at the start. And this is just one project. I saw this a lot. And every time these renders fail, it uses up your credits. But all things considered, I'm still really excited that I found this tool. I think it's an insight into where the future of marketing and the aesthetics around what we create are going to improve in the future. The link to the tool, like I said, is in the description to this video and the pinned comment of this video if you want to check it out yourself. I'm going to be using this to help me create videos when I launch SaaS products in the future, and also right away to start making stuff for my videos on this channel in the here and now to make these videos look better. And I'll be using the motion graphics tool alongside the Higgsfield marketing studio tool that I spoke about in the last video. That tool's crazy. It creates high impact visuals for you to use in ads and even just in your social media videos. You should definitely check that out next if you want to put yourself and any products into videos automatically. It's really impressive. I'll check it out. It's right there. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.